Taylor Lautner has split from his girlfriend. The Twilight Saga actor and Marie Avgeropoulos went their separate ways a few months ago, but have agreed to stay friends. A source told E! News, "It was completely amicable. Taylor is dating and having fun, nothing serious." No reason has been given for the split, and a spokesperson for the 22-year-old actor didn't comment. The former couple met in the summer of 2013 on the set of their movie Tracers, and were first seen holding hands as they walked around Soho in New York in late July that year. Taylor has previously admitted he thinks he is a very loyal boyfriend and believes honesty is vital to a relationship. He has said in the past, "Honesty and loyalty are key. If two people can be honest with each other about everything, that's probably the biggest key to success. I like to think of myself as very loyal, and I love everyone I surround myself with, whether they're friends or girlfriends or whatever. I love loyal people."